Hey everybody, I'm just popping on the group live just for a few minutes because I wanted to give you a chance, a last chance to enroll in Brand Strategy 101, my signature course, a primer in brand strategy. As and many of you know, as you've been seeing my post, I launched Brand Strategy 101. The enrollment has been open for 10 days and it is closing tonight at midnight. So midnight Eastern Standard Time, the enrollment for Brand Strategy 101 is going to close. If you're interested in learning about brand strategy, go to philipvandusen.com. The URL is right here, /enroll. And there's a sales page there that will tell you everything that you need to know about this course that I'm offering. There's two payment options. One is two payments of $297, and then there's a single payment of $497 if you want to save some money and not have to split the payments out. So this course is going to be transformative. It's been the process and the tools in this course I use in my own agency right now to deliver to my clients. And it's enabled me to sell in strategy and also to sell my creative work for higher fees than I would be if I wasn't delivering a higher level of consulting and a higher level of strategy. So just on a very personal level, you guys, I spent 15 years in the fashion industry, more like 20. And then when I moved over to the global agency side, I knew nothing about classic strategic design or brand strategy. And I learned it very, very late in my career. I also, as you know, started off as a painter. I started off as a fine artist and came into design through the apparel industry and then moved up the ladder and became a creative executive and, managed huge teams and stuff like that. But I knew really nothing about true branding and strategy until I was well into my 40s. And so I learned it at a very late stage in the game. I also came to it with a very kind of pragmatic mindset. I needed to learn this stuff fast, how to do it simply, and to get up and running and deliver it to some very senior, large Fortune 100 clients in a very short period of time. And so that's kind of how I approach brand strategy. I don't get like insanely cerebral about it. I see it as being a very tactical and a very important way to help your clients achieve the results they want to achieve in their business. And so I took these proven brand strategy tools that are used by some of the biggest agencies in the world and the practices that I've used to deliver that strategy to those clients. And when I went off on my own, I took those processes and those tools and I kind of scaled them down to a way that I could use them in my agency with solopreneurs and entrepreneurs and small to medium-sized businesses. And I developed this system for myself, but now I teach it to others. And I want to share it with you guys so you can take your creative businesses to the next level. And so I encourage you to join me in Brand Strategy 101. Go to this URL, philipvandusen.com/enroll, and just check it out. Just read about it. But understand that enrollment closes tonight. And so this is the last time that you can get in on this course until I launch it again. And I guarantee you it will probably be more expensive the next time around. So if you're at all interested, if you think that brand strategy is something that you want to start delivering, but you're not really sure where to start, or you've been delivering aspects of it, but you're not really clear how all those pieces fit together. If you want to be able to charge more money for the creative work that you're already delivering, if you want to be considered a higher level business partner and get paid for your thinking and the advice that you may be giving away for free, Brand Strategy 101 is a great place to start. And so I encourage you, go to philipvandusen.com/enroll, read about it, and enroll before midnight tonight because enrollment is closing. So with that, if you guys have any questions, ping me on Facebook Messenger. I'll try to answer them tonight before enrollment closes. But if not, go check it out. I'd love to have you in Brand Strategy 101. It's going to be a killer group of people. And there's already a ton of people, students who have enrolled and signed up, and I'm really excited to offer it to you guys, and I hope you take me up on it. So that's it. I hope you guys have a great night, and I just wanted to give you one last chance, one last push to sign up for Brand Strategy 101. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great night.